In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add a deposit in QuickBooks. Maybe you've taken a batch of checks to the bank, received a refund, or need to record a transfer of funds. Manually adding a deposit ensures your books match what actually hit the bank and makes future bank feed matching smooth and accurate. We'll keep this simple and clear, and I'll share a few tips along the way to help you avoid common mistakes. First, open QuickBooks and sign into your company. From the main dashboard, look for the Create or New button. Depending on your layout, it's usually near the top of the screen. Click that to open the menu of transaction types and choose Bank Deposit. This takes you to the bank deposit form where everything happens. At the top, select the bank account where the money was deposited. Set the deposit date to the date on your actual bank slip, not necessarily the day you recorded the sale. That date alignment is key for easy reconciliation later. If you see a section listing payments under Undeposited Funds, those are payments you previously recorded that haven't been deposited yet. Check the boxes for the exact payments that were included in this bank run. Grouping them here to match your real-life deposit helps the total line up perfectly with what you see on your bank statement. In the section labeled Add Funds to this deposit, you can add any other money that was part of the same bank trip. For each line, choose who it's from, select the correct category account, and enter the amount. Use income accounts when it's new revenue, or other appropriate accounts for things like owner contributions, reimbursements, or refunds. Add a brief description to make the deposit easier to identify later. If you use classes or locations, fill those in too. You can also attach a copy of the bank slip or check images so everything is documented in one place. Now check the total at the bottom. It must match the amount on your bank receipt exactly. If you deposited multiple checks together, include them all in this one deposit so the single total mirrors what the bank shows. That way, when your bank feed brings in the deposit, QuickBooks can match it without creating duplicates. A helpful tip: if you already recorded a sale, don't post the deposit directly to an income account again. Use the payment in undeposited funds instead to avoid double counting. Give everything a quick review, confirm the details, and you're all set. Your manual deposit is now recorded and ready to match with your bank feed.